From Wild Environmental Science comes the Amazing and Bizarre Marsupials of Australia kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene with a koala joey peeking out of its mother's pouch, and assemble an awesome 3D kangaroo puzzle. The full-colour instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the cutest, the weirdest, the funniest, and the scariest marsupials in Australia. If you're wild about animals, then you'll love Amazing and Bizarre Marsupials of Australia by Wild Environmental Science.